Some customers will ask, why choose your company? Today, we will introduce our strength to you. I am Lucia from YIDU. We have production plants in China and Vietnam. We have more than 90 production lines for coating, cutting, and packaging, more than 4,500 tons monthly production capacity, more than 200 export containers per month, more than 600 production staff, more than 40 sales professionals, exported to 106 countries and regions around the world, OEM for more than 300 global big brands. We use imported raw materials, stable supply, the safety stock of all kinds of raw materials is not less than 5,000 tons. We have our own R&D department to improve the quality of our products. Now we have more than 60 national patents. YIDU's laminating film, high transparency, uniform coating, flat and stable quality. Come and contact us for more. Thermal laminating film.